I mean, you are welcome to your Pre1 AI channel, your number one AI channel for AI side hustles, digital income strategies, marketing moves, content creation, and monetization, and a whole lot about digital economy. Today, we are going to learn how to create a Facebook group. On YouTube, we are everyone. On TikTok, we are everyone. On Twitter, we are everyone. On Instagram, we are everyone. On Facebook, Obama, Ichukuda. Let's head over to what we have to do together. Creating Facebook page, group. Okay, to create a Facebook page, to create a Facebook group, but you have it very easy. Now you can create a Facebook group on a profile and you can create it on a page. But for business, I advise you create a Facebook group on a page. Don't use a profile. Why I say so is because when you use a profile to create a Facebook group, you can be limited to how many times you can interact with people login group. Whereas in the Facebook pages for business, staying in the page to open a group will give you enough opportunity to interact as you like. You are not restricted. Okay, so to create a Facebook group using the page, make sure you are on the page that you want to be. Like here, I'm in my page, the page we created in the previous video, AI automation. Okay, so on this page, you click on the menu as we did previously. To click on this menu, you're going to see post to reveal group. So we create a Facebook group. To click on the group. Wow. So this takes me down here. Going to have your group name. Now your group name should define the kind of community you want to create. What or who are the set of people that you want to interact with? That should be your group name. That will form your group name. Okay, so let's say I am on a page that has to do with AI automation, and I wanted to create a group that has to do with ChatGPT. So I create that group. I want to touch ChatGPT prompts. I want to create a group relating to this. So I want people that have issues with ChatGPT prompts to come into this group. So all I do is set this group. It can either be a public group or private group. So I want it to be public. In a public group, anyone can see who is in a group and want to post anyone. Whereas in private group, only the members can see what you have in the group. So I like setting it to public. And boom, you're happy, you create your Facebook group. Look, that is how to create a Facebook group. So the see now, this is my Facebook group. I have it here. So all this in the next video or in the course of the videos will show you how to use all this menu that I have inside this Facebook group. Don't forget that I told you that you can use Facebook on the settings. You can set a location for your Facebook group. Look at this. You have a name and description. Name through what you want members to see, a new member to see. Privacy is already on public, visible, hide group, visible to. So here you can set the location. You can set the location. You can share. I think only people from United States to enter my group. You set it to people that are from United States who enter your group. And once you set that, you can go on and customize your group. You have here badges. Let's go down here. Participant approval. Do you want people to come in as they like, or you want to approve them before they enter the group? Then you have the next one who can participate. You want profiles and pages, or you just need only profiles. You can do your settings. Manage discussion. Anonymous cap. You want anybody without a profile or just anybody to. So you do those settings, or go more on this. All this in the next video. All in the natural channel. Subsequent videos will explain more about settings, the right settings for a Facebook group, depending on what you want to use it for, your audience, your community. Now, this is how to create a Facebook page. Many Facebook groups are